Alright guys, so I managed to replace the start switch to include the drive mode. So essentially this has 1, 2, 3 one bolt on this side, and you also need to take these 4 out so you can get this part out, otherwise you cannot. And the total number of parts you need to remove, so is the panel here, you really need to get it off. Then I put this on its side, as you can see. I didn't remove this cable, it's still on the connected to the floor. I put this to protect the screen just in case. This is the drive mode switch I had to remove. These are the 2 bolts that I was in my post. This one and this one. Alright, and you can see here the gear selector I had to remove. I'll clean this all up, it's a bit of a mess. And yeah, cable still connected there. And at the rear you need to remove the panel there in the center, and obviously all the side panels, that side and that side, which was a bitch to remove without removing the seat. You have to tilt the seat back in order to be able to get the rear side panel off without removing the seat. So you have to play with the adjustment of the tilt and the front and back, and you can get the rear side panel off without removing the seat, but it's not easy. Also, this was really hard to remove. It needed a lot of strength, and I actually broke 4 pry tools trying to get it off. So you'll see from the photos too.